I'm very glad that you have organized this online exhibition even in coronavirus. God bless you and all the children.
To raise new questions, new possibilities, to regard old problems from a new angle, require creative imagination and marks real advance in science. Rightly said by Mr. Albert Einstein. Good morning, everyone. I, Mr. Amrinder, and Ms. Dipti, along with me, welcome you all to Science Alive. Before we start, I would request everyone to please put your microphones on mute to avoid any further disturbance. The budding scientists of the Millennium School Bathinda, who have worked very hard to make this science exhibition a great success, will now show and explain us some working models based on the theme Science Alive. Now, I request our students to start displaying various working models and experiments which is the result of their hard work. Let us start today's event, Science Alive. I wish all the best to all the students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. My best wishes to all the science buddies who worked very hard to make this exhibition a great success. The first experiment is walking water experiment, which is to be presented by Suranya Kansala and Lakshiv Garg, the students of class 3rd A.
Dear Principal Ma'am and dear teachers, my name is Suranya Kansala from class 3rd A. As my friends told you about walking water experiment, now I want to show you the experiment. I took purple, red, yellow colored water in 3 glasses and 2 empty glasses. I arranged them in this manner. Now I will put paper towel in it. Now we can enjoy walking water experiment. Actually, the water is able to move against the force of gravity. Because of water molecules stick to each other and they stick to the fibers of paper towel. We can see that the color of paper towel is changed because of a process called capillary action. Thank you.
Excellent performance.
Now, Angel and Akshada Sharma will show us the working model of volcanic eruption.
Good evening everyone. Today I will show you working model of volcano. This is a volcano and its opening. When lava comes out and cools down, it turns into igneous rocks. Let's see how it works. I will put some chemicals in it, which are baking soda and vinegar. This is how volcano erupts. Thank you.
Good job, Angel and Akshada. Now, Fiza Kohli and Tanya Sharma from class 5A will show us the working model of kidney.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanya Sharma of class 5th. Today, me and my friend Fiza are going to represent the working model of kidney. Here in the model, when we add some fluid into the opening at the top, it flows through the 2 thin tubes called ureters to the kidney, then to the urinary bladder, and then this fluid comes to the second opening at the bottom. This represents the passage of urine from the urethra at the bottom of bladder.
Good evening everyone. My name is Fiza. I study in class 5th. As you know that today is virtual labels exhibition. So, I am going to speak some words about kidneys. The kidneys are 2-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist. They are located just below the rib cage, one on each side of the spine. The kidneys filter about a half cup of blood every minute, removing waste and extra water to make urine. The urine flows from the kidney the bladder through two thin tubes of muscles called ureters, one on each side of your bladder. Your bladder stores urine. Your kidneys, ureter and bladder are part of your urinary tract. Thank you.
Well done, Fiza and Tanya. Now, Rahmat Kaur Sivya and Namish Jindal from class 5B will show us the working model of brain.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am and all my teachers. Myself, Rahmat Kaur, and my friend Namish Jindal are going to represent the model of the brain and will explain its different parts and their functions. The brain is a part of the nervous system. The nervous system has three parts: the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. It controls and coordinates all our activities. It consists of many organs which work in a systematical way. Now my friend Namish will explain the different parts of the brain and their functions.
Brain is a main part of the body. It controls and coordinates all our body parts. It is located inside the skull. The skull protects our brain from injuries. It has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls decision making, learning, memory, speech, thoughts, imagination, etc. Cerebellum. It is the rear part of the brain. It controls our movement of muscles and helps in maintaining balance. Medulla. Medulla is the lower part of the brain. It is the also called brain stem. It controls breathing and blood circulation. Thank you.
Wonderful performance by Rahmat and Namish. I thank everyone on behalf of the Millennium family to be a part of this event. Thank you and have a good day.